everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So today I came here with an interesting makeup tutorial. The products I'm going to use in this video are all under 700 rupees. Isn't this video going to be interesting? Yes, so without further delay, let's get started. Here I'm cleaning my face with an wet wipes. I will add the screenshot of the products with their prices on a side. You can see their prices, and the most interesting part is that most of the products are under 300 rupees. Yes, as you can see. So firstly I use Biotic Cucumber Toner, and now I'm using Good Vibes Rosehip Oil. Okay, next I'm using Lotus White Glow Moisturizer. If you find my videos interesting and if you like to watch my videos, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. I actually did my eyebrows off camera, but here I'm sharing a few clips of doing eyebrow. If you want a separate video on eyebrow, then you can let me know in the comment section. After that I'm using NYB concealer. Here I'm applying the concealer on my eyelids, and I'm blending the concealer with the help of a cute mini beauty blender. Next I'm using mini eyeshadow palette by Lakme 925, and I'm picking the green shimmery shade and I'm applying the color on my eyelid, and I'm not going over my crease line. I will mention every product in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check that out. Next, here I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend the edges of the color. Next, I'm taking this color and I'm going to apply the color on my crease line. Next I'm taking this light brown color and I'm going to blend the color with the green one so that it gives a smooth effect. Here I'm again applying the green shimmery color so that it gives a beautiful effect on my eye makeup. Next I'm using Lakme black eyeliner, and I think many of us use this eyeliner like once in our life, and it is the cheapest and best eyeliner I ever have. So I'm going to create a thick wing liner today with this eyeliner. If you have not used this eyeliner yet, then I would definitely recommend you to use this eyeliner once in your life and you will love it. Next I'm using Lakme 925 CC cream, and I'm not using any foundation today because I don't want that artificial look. I just want to make my makeup flawless, and I just want to make my base like really natural. So that's why I'm using the CC cream. Otherwise you can also use your foundation. Next, I'm using the same concealer by NY and I'm applying the concealer on inner corner and outer corner of my eye, center of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my mouth area, and I'm going to blend the concealer with the help of a beauty blender. Okay, next I'm using the banana powder to bake my face. Next, here I'm dusting off all the powder with the help of a fluffy brush. Next, here I'm using a makeup fixture to set the white cast of the powder. After that, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics contour. Next, I am also using the same contour powder to contour my nose. After that, I am using a coral blush by L'Oreal and I am applying the blush on the apples of my cheek. Next, I am using the highlighter by Wet n Wild and I am going to apply the highlighter on all the highest point of my face. I am also applying some highlighter on my brow bone, on my nose as well, and I will also apply some highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I am using a mascara to coat my lashes. Okay, next I'm using a Stay Quirky Kajal. Okay, next for the lipstick I'm using colorbar liquid lipstick. Here I'm actually lining my lip with the lipstick. Next, to fill the center of my lip, I am using Swiss Beauty lipstick. I will mention both the shade number of the lipsticks in my description box. If you want, you can check that out. So our makeup is done. Now to set the entire makeup, I am using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Wait for the final result. If you like my videos, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Love you all.